At SpotHero, we have a very supportive culture. It's very rare that an engineer struggles alone for very long.
Let me redo that one.
Can we cut? Can I do one more?
It's like a 30-mile-an-hour wind when that door opens.
Some of the ways that I help, you can just cut my whole thing out.
So the way I would describe SpotHero's engineering team culture is we jump into complex challenges and we are excited to lean into that complexity and make it very easy for our drivers to get to where they need to go park. So very exciting. Yeah.
Love it.
Just cut that so exciting part. Yeah, at the end.
Describe the engineering team culture at SpotHero as highly collaborative.
Very inclusive.
And it's full of smart people.
Our engineering team is both welcoming and accessible. We're a group of people that, regardless of where you come from, we welcome you.
The culture has great work-life balance.
There's a lot of flexibility on how to make space for life.
There's a lot of respect in the engineering team in particular, that work is not the only meaningful thing in life.
As a new parent, I feel that SpotHero totally supports my leave and being able to work remotely when I need to.
We also have a culture of enjoy the ride, which means have a good time at work, get your stuff done, but also enjoy it.
They don't really take a whole lot of things seriously.
Loosen up.
Can I do this while I answer? As an engineer, I really value autonomy, and SpotHero definitely embraces that. Own your own work and see it through without any blockers or obstacles.
And first and foremost, we are accessible, regardless of your title, regardless of who you are. If you want to meet someone, you go out and meet them. There is no pretense. There is just you walk up, you have a conversation, and you discuss whatever helps you get your work done.
And that's true both in a formal sense in the way that we organize our teams. I think also very importantly, it's true in informal ways. And I think from an engineering perspective, one of the most common ways I see this is in Slack, and we collaborate across teams.
Any decision or any opinion that's brought up does get considered.
And it's very common to see someone on a team have a problem with their environment, drop into a shared channel, drop into a DevOps channel, ask a question, and then fantastically see the list of replies just extend as other people on the team help them solve their problem. And I think it is a common behavior and one I think that we're proud of as a group.
My favorite part of being part of the SpotHero engineering team is really seeing engineers grow and take on more and more challenges, getting chances to work in different parts of the business.
We do these tour of duties, which is when someone from one team gets to be on another team and you get to really learn the in and outs of what that team does. You get to work on a project outside of your normal interests, the normal day-to-day of that team.
Every 2 weeks, we gather to celebrate the software that we're building. Everyone gathers in the kitchen. We have a great time with it. We do it remote, we do it in person, and it's a big celebration of all the great software that we're building every 2 weeks.
The best part of being part of the engineering team at SpotHero is the people.
This is easily the most talented group of people I've ever worked with in my life. These are people that want to work with each other. These are people that want to solve the problem of parking.
Seeing them really scale themselves as we grow as a company, it's just really humbling to be part of that experience. Plus, we get to work on really cool problems. So.
This is a great time to join SpotHero. We have lots of interesting problems we're working on, but we also have with that a very strong business that's doing well in this market.
Yet there's so much opportunity to grow our business.
It's a great time to join SpotHero because the rate that the parking industry is evolving. It historically has been a cash industry, and now SpotHero is leading the cashless transactions for parking.
As we scale, there's new challenges that you get a chance to be part of and help solve for. It's exciting to be part of.
Our company is growing. We're having a great time doing it. We have great first-party software that we're building and then third-party partners that are just dynamite and out of this world. I mean, also we've got people taking headshots and having fun lunches. So yeah, come on and join us. Good? Yeah, all right. Ta-da!
That's it.
Yeah. Ready to kick me out?
Killed it.
Okay.
Oh my, I
Thank
can't
you.
with you every time.